Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I'll tell you what, a few weeks ago, we on the Gentleman's Roundtable, we had a impressive guest. He knows his stuff as far as when it comes to hat making, as far as playing music, and just an overall great guy. And Mr. Luby, I received a package in the mail today. And first of all, I want to say thank you. And I understand, I seen that First 508 got his box the other day as well, and he loved it. And I'm hoping what's in this box compares to that, because that was a pretty impressive cap that he got. That being said, there's just, doing these reviews, and it's kind of like an outlet for me as far as like I got a job that's kind of stressful, and so like the reviews take me in this like happy place, like kind of like where it just erases everything that goes on, and it's just good to do. And that's one of the reasons why I started doing this, because I needed an outlet so it's not so much just work driven type things for me. And I've been blessed. We've got a pretty good following. We've had some great shows. In fact, we got another show coming up Tuesday with Peaky Hat. Ryan is returning, and this time he is bringing his sidekick, Ryan 2.0, with him. And that's going to be an amazing show. Peaky Hat is top notch. They are top quality. They're just fantastic cap makers and fantastic people. Very rarely do you see that combination in the world we live in today. But with that said, I got the Luby here, and this will be my first one. I've tried entering drawings on anything else, and I got 86 on those, and my luck sucks. Absolutely sucks when it comes to drawings and everything. However, I did get lucky on some Zia hat makers. But here we go. And like I said, this is just I'm hoping that I know I'm gonna like it. And again, thank you for being a guest on our show. You were, it was great. It was one of my favorite episodes that we've ever shot, and it was just good to have wholesome people still like that you come across. And had it not been for reviews, I never would have came across for Luby. Had I never got into the caps, I would never seen any of his things on Facebook. And but yeah, I'm just glad to. I'm blessed to see what the cap game has brought to me outside of the reviews, and just got to meet people that I know I never would have had a chance to meet. Even with Anox, or Dubs, or First 508th, we cross paths because of the caps, and it's just great to see. I love it. I mean, when you get to be my age, you look at life a little bit differently. I take my walks every morning. I take pictures of sunsets and our sunrises. And if you would have told me that when I was 19, 20 years old, sunset was the last thing on my mind back then. I'll tell you that. But now it's just like I know my life is on the downside of things, and it just, you got to live life to the fullest. And, whether it's anything in life, I got something different. Let's see what all we got in here first. You got me a handwritten note. Let me make sure it's Mark. Thank you so much for having me on the podcast. I had a ton of fun. Looking forward to doing it again in the future. Hope you dig the cap, Luby. And thing is like, even on this letter, first of all, is penmanship is immaculate, because if I were to write this, I got to type things, just put it that way. Like at work, the only way I write things is if I got to read it, because I know I'll be able to read it, but anything else I got to type. And I'll tell you what, thank you for Copilot and everything else, because I only got to worry about, correct pronunciation, or not pronunciation, but correct grammar. Because I just like copy everything into Copilot or whatever it is, like fix grammar, sound professional, and it does it for me. It makes it look like I'm a genius. And of course, I got to say, remove hyphens, because if you put those hyphens in there, all the AI stuff, that people knows it's AI. But here it is, the cap. Oh man. gray herringbone. Look at this. Luby. That is pretty sweet. Silk lining. The thing is like when he was on the show, he had no idea how to sew when he first started. And it was just like, in this here, every stitch is perfect. Good golly gracious. Look at this. Look at this. Look at those threads. Look at those seams. Look at those stitching. It's absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Wow. Look at the brim. Look at the bend on the brim. And this is like butter soft. You got a tag saying what this is made of? No, it doesn't. Wow. I'm already good. Yeah. Yeah, let's go ahead and show a close-up of this bad boy. Because this is sick. All right, let's go ahead and show a close-up. And here's a close-up of the Luby. This is more of like a Shelby cut, pretty narrow as well. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of the narrow it on the cuts. But man, just look at that stitching on this. Huh. Man, I hope this fits just as good as it looks. I'm like at a loss of words, the quality of this thing. Look at the stitching on the brim. And then that perfect lining, and then the Luby logo. Luby, you got to start making. You got to start doing something because. I know you got a real job and everything, but I have a feeling if you were to mass produce some of these things with this kind of quality, you might be heading into generational wealth. All right, let's go ahead and try this on now.
Ryan from Peaky Hat returns to the round table. This time he brings his sidekick, Ryan 2.0. Two Ryans, one shared vision. Together they bring caps that earn respect. Gentlemen, adjust your brims. The table just got a little sharper. By order of Peaky Hat. This is the Gentleman's Round Table.
Welcome to the Gentleman's Round Table. Pull up a chair. Would you fancy some cheese and crackers?
All right, so I'm ready to try this on. This is probably the most excited I have been for a cap. One, because it's so hard to get a Luby, and I got one. But I'm gonna go take off this Strakowski here. I got the Strakowski Gecko on, the linen Gecko. Matches great with my golden ticket shirt by Dixon. Drum roll, please. Oh man, please don't be disappointed. Well, this sucks. I was hoping so. Oh man, this is a big letdown. What the freak? What the freak? As Dubs would say, totally disappointed in this. I was hoping it looked so much better. Psych! This thing is freaking awesome! Hell yeah! Look at the draping! Look at the draping! Look at the freaking fit! What the freak? Cheese and crackers! Holy Moses! Wow! I got a Luby! I got a Luby! I got a Luby! Wowzers! Holy sweet Mother Mary of God, this thing is badass. Sorry for cussing. After that Gentleman's Round Table that we had on the other day with the Scallywag Show, there's nothing gonna, we're not gonna cuss as much as that ever again, but yeah, holy cow! Shnikes! Woo! Man, oh man. Luby! Dude, I don't know what to tell you, man. We need a Luby caps. We need a Luby. I mean, it's just great. We need to have a Luby I mean, just like we have a Peaky hat, Mr. Kowski, we need to have a Luby. Man, oh man, my brother, I tell you. Look how narrow that Peaky look. Man, oh man. This is I am sorry I'm going all off on the wall here and totally, I am just ecstatic by this. Holy cow. And it's a perfect fit. You know, the thing is, like, every time I put in a drawing, I was like 60 centimeters. Never get drawn. And then I finally got it. I don't care who, just keep on getting the drawings. If you don't get it, just keep on getting them. I would easily pay $150 for this cap. Easily. Absolutely no doubt in my mind. Man, oh man, Luby. I finally got a Luby, everybody. And I don't want to rub it in anybody's face, but this is awesome. This is top-notch quality. I mean, look at the stitching again. There's not even a stitch, a crooked stitch. It is, oh my gosh. You know, the thing is like, it's just, I'm a little lost for words how sweet this is. The perfect brim bend. I didn't have to bend the brim. Well done. 5.0. It's a 5. If I could give this a 6, I'd give it a frickin' 6. Yeah. I would give this a 5 to the second power. Unbelievable. Again, Luby, congratulations. I mean, this thing is freaking awesome. Congratulations on what you're doing in the community and what you do. We can't wait to have you back on the Gentleman's Roundtable. And yeah, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's amazing. Wow. Reviews and Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out Luby and on all the media. Follow him. And, you know, next time he has a drawing, bug the crap out of him because you got to get, hopefully you win one because this is crazy. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. And, wow. I'm at a loss for words. I just don't even know what to say. Amazing. Simply amazing. Have a great day, everybody. And again, thanks for watching.